All right. So right now we are back with question number 6, and we're gonna try to go over those questions as quick as possible because the library is about to close, and I'm trying to get this thing done before they closes. They close, and so that I can go over the questions that I've learned today, and then I'll present it to you guys tomorrow on like all the small lectures. But yeah, we're gonna go in question number 6, and question number 6 says find a positive angle less than 360 degree that is coterminal with the given angle. And the angle that they give you is negative or minus 925. I'll say negative 925 degree. So the thing that we're gonna do for this kind of exercise is we're gonna subtract or add until we get a positive angle and an angle that is less than 360. So I'm gonna put it as goals when it comes to doing this. Goals 1. Final number needs to be final number negative, and second requirement, final number less than, or you can do something like this, 360 degree. So we're gonna start. So each time we're gonna either add or subtract to get this final number the way that it is. So we have a negative number. So we have a negative number. We're not gonna add a negative number with it because you already know if you put a negative number, it's gonna get bigger and it's not gonna add. It's not gonna subtract. It's just gonna add up on this negative number that we have, and it's gonna be minus 1,000, minus something else, based on which number you decide to put on it. So instead of adding a negative number, so you're gonna add a positive number. So you're gonna have minus 925 degree plus 360, which is gonna give you 925 minus 360. 925 minus 360. It's gonna equal to minus 565 degree. So minus 565 degree. It's not the final number because minus is not positive. So if the number has the minus in front of it, so it's a negative number. So it's not the final answer. And also we need to find a number that is less than 360. It's technically less than 360, but it's not positive. So we still need to add 360 on it. So we're gonna do minus 565 plus 360. So right now we're gonna say 565 minus 360. It's gonna give you minus 205 degree. Minus 205 degree is still a negative number, so we still need to add 360, and perhaps it might become a negative number. We don't know, so we're gonna add 360 now. So minus 205 degree plus 360 degree. It's gonna give you 360 minus 205, 155. It's going to give you 155 degree. So right now when it comes to sign, we know when we're doing those operation minus or addition or subtraction. So the sign of your final number will be the sign of the, I'll say, high number or great number. I don't know how to say that because I haven't taken math class in so long. But yeah, I'll say higher number. Yeah, I think that's what they said. So you're gonna take the side of the higher number. In this case, it's gonna be 360. So the number is gonna be positive. So we're gonna end up with positive 155 for our final answer. And then we're gonna check again back on our goals. We had 2 goals at the beginning. The first one was the number needs to be negative. So we have 155, not 150. So we had 155 as the final result or as the final number. So you're gonna have 155 degrees. So 155 is a positive number, so it's not negative. Therefore, the first check is good. And then we have the second check. The final number needs to be less than 360 degree. 155 is less than 360 degree. So the second one is also checked too. So that's how you do question number 6. And in order to like summarize everything again, when they give you the angle, doesn't matter what kind of angle they give you, make sure that you take a look to the sign. It might be 125 and in your mind, you didn't really pay attention to the sign, you can be like, oh yeah, it's done. So you just put the same number that they gave you, but perhaps it was 1 minus 125, which is not the same thing as 125, because one is positive and the other one is negative. So pay attention to the sign of the number, pay attention to the number, and based on the situation that you have. If it's a negative number, add 360. If it's a positive number, minus 260. If it was like 925, 925 is not less than 360. So therefore, you will subtract 360 out of the 925 if it was 925 a positive number, but in our case it's a negative number. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna do number 7 right now, and hopefully I get all the videos done, and that's pretty much it for this one.